again. Do it. Do it. Congratulations on your newborn child. Don't go near him. It's something on your face. Cough one more time. Cough one more time. Check this out. When we go in this bank, we gonna take him, we gonna rob him, baby. We gonna rob him. Put your mask back on. You don't want to be in the principal's office again, mister. Did you hit Rhonda over there? Did you hit her? Report immediately. Home. You're going home. Stay back. Hey, remember when we was on the ball court and you was like, away. Away. Oh my goodness, I didn't tie my shoe. You know, I'll do it later. I'll do it later. Where you was at, bro? Where you was at? You said you gonna show me how to do. Yeah. Man, what you doing standing on the side of the corner like that? God dang, you should practice and be a ninja or something. Goddamn, move out of the way. David? Did you get that data analyst requisition report put on my desk? Well, I needed it last Tuesday. All right? All right, cause I'm gonna need you to focus on your job and get the job done on time, okay? Those requisition reports, data analysis, and papers was supposed to put on my desk last Wednesday on the 3rd. Now, don't you ever do this again. You need to focus and work. We need you attentive at all times, okay? Listen to me, okay? All right? I need you to pay attention. When you get the job done, that's when we'll start treating you like the employee that you're supposed to be. Okay? Now I'm getting tired of all this nonsense from you. I know what you've been doing. I've been looking at you. You need to stop sleeping at work, okay? Right? This is uncalled for, okay? You gotta get those reports in, or you're gonna get fired, okay? You're gonna get fired.